I just remember the Nnamdi Kanu and tears they flow out of my eyes. I did do this video especially to those of our army colleague, to gallant soldiers all over Nigeria, especially our Igbo people. Say we dey wear this thing, no mean say we no get sense again, say we no know where we from.
Hello my fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. But before I say anything concerning this particular video, I want to use this video to thank each and every one of us that has been supporting me, sharing my video, and also praying for our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. This our Igbo brother that people are seeing on my screen like this is an Igbo boy based Nigerian soldier, and now he's regretting why he joined Nigerian army. So just take a moment of your time and listen to him and see what he's saying concerning what they are passing through in the hands of their enemy, that is a Nigerian government. So listen to him and share this particular video so that all the other Igbo Biafrans, Igbo people that are still joining Nigerian army or Nigerian soldier, so that they can be able to learn and see this particular video, because you get why. Igbo people need to learn. They need to know where they are from. So share this video and remain blessed.
I just remember the Nnamdi Kanu and tears they flow out of my eyes. I did do this video especially to those of our army colleague, to gallant soldiers all over Nigeria, especially our Igbo people. Say we dey wear this thing, no mean say we no get sense again, say we no know where we from. This thing na person wear and give, na person give us. This thing na wetin they take deceive us, na person give us. May we get our sense now. May we get our sense. Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for our tomorrow. He knows what he's fighting for. He's a man who can say something and it will come to pass. Why we no want respect him? Now because say no be person where they come club, come spray money. Why are we doing like this? Then they use us. How much would they collect for this thing where they wear? How much would they collect? Then they set us up every day and night. They put us for war front. Would they go die? But our brother where they there, they fight for us. We just keep quiet. They wear this thing. But we get sense. Say we they wear this thing, no mean say we no go nowhere we from again. They no like us. They no love us. Imagine when they want send people go inside bush. Now we Igbo that they carry go first. I got one slaughter. I one. Manandi prefer no side. I in Igbo ne one fuku. Me will get sense. Nnamdi Kanu ya ka ọbụna jigi ndị ọbụna gbado ndị ọbụna mere ọnọdụ iji na ebe ahụ nọ aka ga-agwacha ha n'aja, ha ga-emecha regret ndụfa ma family ha ma onye ọbụla tinye aka na ya n'afọ okike abịa ama ise.
na obere nwa 33 years ka okenye dị 69 years jere na-egburu ikpere na ya do. Well, let us analyze this very post. Bonjour, mademoiselle, bonjour, c'est la frère, la français, el salariat. Te fait le vous. Si fa la paix, ta zèle fa pour faire flesser, ta fait et salariat. Yen na kwa boka mwike for the interest of our brothers who does not understand English language, but for me to analyze this very post, I'm going to be doing it English and the Francais. Okay, this is the post right now. They said they don't free 11 soldiers. That was when I apologized, and I personally apologized to President Traore because I have his personal number. I called him and I begged him that these people are innocent people. They don't know anything about Nigeria or whatever. They just send them to, go and deliver, go for an errand in Portugal, before they have emergency landing. But meanwhile, let us go quickly to the reason why the elder spokesman in Burkina Faso. That is le faso frère, tabi la frère ta frappé. Allah si ta fait le frappé l'actro et salaria. Let's go.
À la tête d'une délégation, est venu présenter les excuses officielles de la République fédérale du Nigeria au Burkina Faso.
In case you don't know what the official means, that now all the delegates came from Niger bịara na office of the president, that is his excellency the general Captain Ibrahim Traore, na his office ka ha bịara ka ha gbuo ikpere n'ala na ihe ha bịara na ha bịara ime nganga. That is interpreter na-ekwu na ndị Nigerian spokesmen na ha bịara ime nganga, na ha bịara ifuli, na ha bịara ịza giant of Africa, kama na ha bịara ka ha gbuo ikpere n'ala wee ṅụọ nne ara because gịnị na ha akaala nka. So na ọ bụ okenye gbasịa egwu ọ hapụrụ ụmụazị, na ha nwabụzi ụmụazị na a na-elezi ha anya ka ha nwee ike take over the mantle ebe ha dobere mantle nke ha. Let's go.
Pour avoir violé son espace aérien.
Aérien, I love that, aérien. Let's go.
Le ministre des Affaires étrangères exprime ici le regret de son pays sur les irrégularités dans la procédure de l'autorisation pour entrer
Ọ sịrị na ndị a notorious na ha jere ebe egwu ha jere ebe ihe na-efu na ihe a na-akpọ ya bụ notorious tafala prefasape notorious na ha jere ihe gịnị ebe ihe na-efu.
l'espace aérien du Burkina Faso.
Well, first of all, I'm leading a delegation sent here by President Bola.
Onye agada bịara ife afọ ya bụ Abu Salam Mahmoud, that is his guy name. Exitere from the Aso Rock ka ọ bịa in case ọ bụgodị na achọrọ ịnwụrụ after all na o mego old enwụrụgodị nwere ihe na-eme n'ịghọta. But the young boy which is 3 years old elega ya sị na onye agba ọgbọ mpe, for instance because na onye agba ọgbọ mpe n'oge ji because of onye akara nkawara afọ ọrụ white ma gịnị wee hapụ ya. Let's go.
Tout d'abord, je conduis une délégation envoyée par le président Bola Ahmed Tinubu, président de la République fédérale du Nigeria.
Normally, I was supposed to go for this interpretation, but because I was not in Nigeria, in fact, I'm not even in Africa. I'm not even in the African continent. I'm in Asia continent, so I'm not going to take it. I'm not even planning to come back. So I'm Simba. Okay, normally, Mona Traore.
Un message au président Ibrahim Traoré. Un message de fraternité et en l'occurrence la lutte contre le terrorisme.
Contre le terrorism. My name and but this man have a heart of gold. Also not a charge her for terrorism charge. Man, go there microscopic innuendo. Could you nyocha the heart of those 11 soldiers? Well, if I had the innocent, that Nnamdi Kanu after all, the fault is not from them. I just JOC as in the salary 130,000.
Nous devons lutter ensemble contre les fléaux. Nous avons aussi discuté sur des sujets relatifs à l'avion nigérien.
Thief, also not as a thief. Also, la salies le thief. Jeden to also la salies la thief. Na hagara ka onye ohi. Na entu has we fefe nwim. Ados na mba na efe direct. Ọ bụ na ha fere direct. Si Burkina Faso wee pụọ chad wee gafe na ha ma atry ba ka ha command ya ka ha dituo. No, na ha besu mtu ame nwim. Tọrọ kwa meka mtu nwim. Tọrọ kwa meka mtu nwim si awese mba ni ha de ka onye ohi. Na ndị a na-anya plane ka onye because plane nobody plane na-agba 3,575 Fahrenheit ka ọ na-agba mana ndị agbara 97,000 Fahrenheit. So say that the speed onye ohi ji anya plane na ha gara ihe aka onye ohi wee so wee sị mba na a ga-agba ya na ọ bụ na ọrụ chukwu maka chukwu na a ga-emegide na a ga-agbalịta oru ha ji emegide nwee emergency landing. Gente.
C'est déplorable qu'il y ait eu des irrégularités dans les documents, notamment sur les autorisations de survol de l'espace burkinabé. Cela est regrettable et nous nous excusons.
Hey! Aussi, nous de ces prisons. Et nous de ces prisons, la frère de ces pélés. Et nous de ces prisons. Aïe! Oh! Tu as non cas où tu es de nous de les prisons. Na on tara nunu. Ha on tara nunu. Na ha on tara nunu. On fera non de nunu. Ha on as fara we bi Niger. No, here hang on because the pilot was actually emphasizing that no ratore. But the test which give me no ratore. Also no anglo fra de nunu. That what they just laisser faire la fra de nunu. Oh my God.
Nous avons aussi évoqué le sujet d'un
Nigerian
qui fait des commentaires disgracieux concernant cet incident.
Concernant cette affaire près.
Sans doute à une incompréhension de la situation.
Compréhension. Come on, man.
Le président Traoré, le gouvernement du Burkina Faso et le peuple burkinabé.
Osna President Traoré na FSL play na Burkina Faso bụ nwoke obiọma na ọ naghị achọ nsogbu na ọsọ ka ọ chọọ nsogbu na ọ naghị eji prejọ adara enwe n'elu. After all, na o dobere ndị 10 days o nwere ihe mere ni. Na he was expecting people to come and beg him. Na ọ bụ na ayọ he na edobego as no 14 days ka ọ na-agba ha na ọ bụ na nwe ha bịa yọọ agba ha ka kpala kuku. Mana Chineke bịa mee amara ọ bụ na mmadụ bịara bịa yọọ na in the 10 days. So ka anyị gee ntị.
Ont été très accueillants et disposés à nous accompagner.
Disposer la circonphraser.
A été très bien traité. Cela saute aux yeux et c'est évident que le président Traoré était directement informé sur la prise en charge de l'équipage depuis que celui-ci est arrivé au Burkina Faso. Cela
Voyez, avec vous, madame.
de fraternité et de solidarité qui existe.
In solidarity, solidarité t'as pas fait. Les tous si la vous, les vous, les te vous, les vous. Na profil la c'est, pe vous. Bon, toi, un dia, c'est la vous, la c'est la vote, le vous, la vous. Non, la vote, le vous. That is not the way they do things. Na vous, les vote, le vous. Haba.
Bien sûr, nous avons évoqué aussi des points sur comment nous pouvons collaborer aussi bien
Collaborer.
avec d'autres pays de la région sur la
Pays. That is also, laissez les voulu.
significatif en la
Comment tu l'as dit? Laissez les filles, les pays. That pays means this our country, we don't tolerate nonsense. Laissez les vous, les pays. That this our country, we don't do what? We don't tolerate nonsense. Whosoever the person may be, try us, you receive water.
tiers. Donc, il y a des leçons à tirer sur ce volet, évidemment. Il y a aussi beaucoup
Even on a good self, on a good this man, I got that neighbor, I got that. I don't know because the kind of army done as well, than can only who I don't know even I bad the word I had the hot, my neighbor, this man who you know to it. Now, even on go by mail call in case of an officer here, some of the naked CLA cabo.
que nous avons à partager ensemble.
Also, so there's a lot that we have to share.
So they go to French, so there's a lot to wait. Leg is there, okay. But then we don't have to get
Les excuses officielles.
l'officiel a fait la baisse pour préfet. Ah. Oh, if I got na Burkina Faso, I got a conference na Ivory Coast. Na Kezeba, this is the capital of Yamoussoukro. Oh, yeah, I bet here the bread as a cruise women and la chef on a les je comprends pas la farepe. Haba. Next is to what I got what I got baby because ni furo bure bunuku buraka ne buraka ebe. That is the language they understand. Action. Et salarié à la fois c'est vrai Ibrahim Traoré la pays les Fassabou. Thank you.